I love you. Look at this. No, you can't have this. You can't have my phone. Here, you got dog fur right there. Thank you. Thank you. What's that look for? What are you doing? Oh, allergies are kicking my butt today. Like, really bad. Like, the medicine's not even helping. What are you doing? I love you. Don't eat the phone. Don't eat the phone. Don't eat the phone. Oh, look at those teeth. Hey, Bentley. Bentley. Mama. Say mama. Mama. No. Mama. Mama. Don't shake your head no at me. Say mama. 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 No, not Dada. Dada's working on a car. Mama. Say mama. Mama. Say it. Say mama. Say mama. Bentley. Mama. Mama. Yes. Say mama. Why? Why? I know I need to trim that. Bentley, look at me. Mama. Mama. No, not Dada. Mama. Mama. Don't you argue with me. Say mama. Mama. No, not Dada. Mama. Mama. Why? Mama. Mama. Fine. Bubby. Bubby. I love you. Bentley. I love you. Mommy. No, mommy. Mommy. No, 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 no. Thank you. Better not be getting sick. But say mama. Mama. Mommy? Mama. Come on. No. No, say mama. Say mama. I give up. I love you. He's working on a car. Yeah. You're silly. Ooh, what's the matter? What's the matter? You want my phone? You want the phone? You want the phone? You want the phone? You want the phone? Do you want the phone? Do you want it? I love you. Alright guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, tweet it, whatever. Just show some love. Comment below if you do. Have a wonderful, cute comment that you want to comment. And if you're to my channel, please check out my other videos before you decide if you want to sub or not sub, because I have different videos. And lately I've been recording on my Alcatel, Fierce, and my government phone, this one right here. I'm posting from them. Sorry, I'm saying quite a bit probably. So, yep, until my laptop is fixed, because it's a hand-me-down laptop, I will be recording videos from my Alcatel Fierce XL phone and my government phone and posting them on YouTube from there. Until my laptop gets fixed. If you're wondering what's wrong with it, is I cannot factory reboot it or set it to factory mode, I guess. It don't give me the option when I follow the directions to do that. And I want to do that because it is a hand-me-down computer. I got it from my grandmother, and she does not remember her password for her little account thing to sign in to be able to use the computer. So factory setting it is probably the best option, but it's not giving me the option. So I have to take the computer, the laptop, somewhere and have them work on it. Luckily, my fiance knows a business that will do it for a small fee, because he knows the guy, the owner, very well. So he's going to be taking that there this week. And he's going to get it fixed for me. Yay! Hopefully, at least. Things been going on a lot lately. But we'll go from there. And as you guys know from my tweet, we had a death in the family. So I'm asking you guys to please keep my family in your thoughts and prayers. And he's laughing because I'm rubbing my leg because it's going to sleep. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you like it, like I said, give it a thumbs up, share it, tweet it, subscribe if you like to. Before you do, check out my other videos. I know I've already said that. I'm just making sure you guys understand that I do different videos, and I want you guys to check out all of my other different videos that I do before you decide if you want to subscribe to my channel or not, because a lot of people will judge my channel by one video instead of checking all out the other videos. Anyways, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below and check out my merch link that is in there as well. Alright guys, I love you. Remember, life is short. So am I. Live it to the fullest. I totally said that wrong. I haven't said it in so long. Live life to the fullest because life is short and so am I. Bye.